For 46 years, the folks at Roy's Barbecue in Chickasha have been serving up delicious, pit-smoked barbecue to their customers.
We have beef, pork, ribs, sausage, links, chicken. If you get the full order, you can get two of the meats.
Roy opened the restaurant in 1972.
I cooked ever since I was big enough. I cooked for Holiday Inn, I cooked for Sandman, I cooked for Chicken in the Rough.
So what sets Roy's apart from other barbecue joints? They say it's all in the wood.
We have that pit back there where you can use wood. It helps give the meat a better flavor, even though it's hard work, but it makes the meat a whole lot better.
Their food has flavor to it. Like, you know, if you can eat your meat without sauce, it's a plus.
Customers flock to Roy's every day for their special brand of barbecue.
They have like the best barbecue, and so we've been eating here forever. I would go for maybe their polo sausage.
Old style sliced beef and hot links. Meat only, no sides.
And then we sell a lot of the sliced beef, ribs. Any given day we can sell out of anything.
Everything here at Roy's is prepared fresh daily, including their secret recipe barbecue sauce.
It has Roy's own special touch ingredients in the sauce, and we can't say too much about that.
As good as the meat is, folks come to Roy's for the sides just as often, especially the waffle fries.
They will order their waffle fries first. They want their waffles. We make pretty much everything fresh. The beans, potatoes, salad, coleslaw, all in the morning. Actually, Miss Claire at night picks the beans handmade, and that's the beans we use for the next day.
Come to Roy's Barbecue and experience the time-honored tradition that folks down in Southwest Oklahoma can't get enough of.
It's just Roy's. I drive all over the state delivering, and I stop at barbecue places all over, but nobody's like Roy's. It's just different.